Are you looking for an email marketing tool that's beginner friendly yet packed with features? Today we're breaking down Constant Contact, how it handles campaigns, automation, and analytics, and whether it's the right fit in 2025. Constant Contact is prized for its intuitive drag and drop editor. You can create emails fast with access to 200 plus templates, mobile optimized designs, and built-in image tools like Canva or Shutterstock integration. It also auto-imports your logo, brand colors, and social profiles to jumpstart your branding. Beyond email, it supports social posting, surveys, polls, landing pages, and even event management with RSVP and payment tools. Automation in Constant Contact is serviceable but limited. Only basic workflow options are available in lower tiers, and the premium tier unlocks more advanced automation and A/B testing. The platform now includes AI-powered campaign builders as well that help draft emails based on your preference. You get built-in analytics that are another strong point. You get access to real-time reporting, and it's just awesome, showing email sends, opens, clicks, and performance comparisons across campaigns. Features like click heat maps showing where users click most are also available, but some advanced analytics are restricted to premium plans. So the pros include the fact that it's extremely user-friendly, robust phone and live chat support, includes social media tools, SMS marketing, event functionality, and integration with tools like Salesforce, Vimeo, and Shopify. High deliverability rates, good reporting, and strong all-around reliability. Automation features are basic unless you pay for premium, expensive for growing lists, and lacks a free tier. Canceling also can be quite a hassle. You must call customer service, and some templates look dated. So is it worth it? Yes, if you're a small business or a beginner who needs simple, effective, well-supported tool, especially if you host events or manage multi-channel campaigns. And maybe not if you need advanced automation, personalized workflows, or want more value as your contact list grows.